Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 versus the Plaid. We're diving deep into two incredible machines, one a hybrid supercar and the other an all-electric sedan. While they seem very different, both push the boundaries of automotive engineering. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique and help you understand their distinct advantages. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles are astonishing. The Ferrari SF90, with its hybrid V8 engine, produces 986 horsepower, offering a thrilling, visceral experience. The Plaid, on the other hand, uses 3 electric motors to generate 1,020 horsepower, providing instant, silent acceleration. Both can hit 60 miles per hour in a blink, with the SF90 achieving it in 2.0 seconds and the Plaid in 1.99 seconds. Moving to design, the SF90 showcases Ferrari's iconic, aggressive styling, prioritizing aerodynamics and track performance. Its interior is a blend of luxury and racing functionality, often featuring carbon fiber and a curved 16-inch digital dashboard. The Plaid presents a sleek, modern aesthetic with a spacious cabin and a large 17-inch central display dominating the dashboard. Both offer premium materials, but with very different philosophies. Considering practicality, the SF90 is a dedicated performance machine, best suited for exhilarating drives, not daily errands. It's a two-seater with minimal storage, offering about 74 liters of boot space. The Plaid, however, is a versatile 5-seater sedan, offering significant cargo space of up to 793 liters with the rear seats up. The SF90 starts around $500,000 to $700,000, while the Plaid is typically under $100,000. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.